welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we will show you guys on a Chevy Cruze, guys, how to remove and replace the oil dipstick, the whole assembly with the tube, guys. Stay with us, that's what we'll be covering. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, all we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment with your recommendations below. So, if you guys actually have a Chevy Cruze or Chevy Sonic, guys, the procedure should be the same because both of the vehicles share actually the same engine. So, let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is, guys, the dipstick. You can see that we don't have the air filter box. That's because we'll be taking the engine completely apart, guys. As I said, we'll have more than 200 videos. Also, we'll have quite a few electrical videos on our brand new channel. Please check it out as well. So, now, the dipstick, guys, in order to remove it now, okay, you can see right here we have one bolt with reverse torques that we need to remove. And what is a reverse torque socket? Okay, it's this socket right here, guys. All that will be listed in the description of the video below, all the tools and parts, okay, for your convenience, guys. So, let me see exactly which one it is now. Okay, this is the reverse torques 12. Yep, this is it. Reverse Torx 12 socket, guys, that we will need to use now. So if you have the holes, guys, here for the secondary air pump, not all engines will have that. What I'll do, I'll actually go ahead and remove it right here. You have two places where you squeeze. Okay, and you pull it out. And we have the same thing on this side. Okay. But those are actually sideways. Okay, those things are sideways. So, grab them here. Okay. Perfect. Now I'll be able to pull that hose out so we don't break it because that's probably an expensive thing. So we need to get, guys, I'm going to get an extension in the reverse Torx 12 socket, guys, and we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt now. Okay, let's come from right here so you can see a little bit better. Perfect. Now once it comes loose, okay, that thing usually goes pretty easy by hand. Okay, now the bolt, that's what it looks like, guys. Okay, this is the bolt right here. Next, I'm going to grab that, okay, that dipstick and just wiggle it and pull it up, guys. Okay, like that. We're going to leak some oil out, so if you want to reduce the amount of oil that you leak out, I'll recommend, guys, to drain your oil before you do that. Because you can see we just dropped a few dots there. So that's how you guys remove the oil dipstick out of the car if you need to replace yours or work on something else. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, guys, and see you next time.